Hi guys, welcome to AQUA.STARS.INDIA. Today I'm gonna unbox the plants that I ordered from Aquabynature. I'm gonna give the link of the online shop in the below description. So in the time of unboxing this, you need a water sprayer just to keep the plants wet, and you need a scissor just to cut upon this. I'm just gonna unbox it really quick for you guys. Okay, so as you can see that the orders are perfectly fine now. I'm gonna name one of them. So I'm gonna take all of them out and show you what I ordered. So they have packed in the plants really good. So I have ordered from them. This is Rotala Macaranda Pink, and this is Pogostemon Helferi. Okay. This all plants are emersed grown, so it would take a lot of time to transform into submerged growth. This is Rotala Minigold. This is Wallichi, Rotala Wallichi Mexicana. This is Ludwigia Arcuta. And this is my favorite, Prospenica palustris. Okay. This is Cuba. This is Storogine Rippens. I'm sorry, it's having a hard time focusing. And this is also a good plant, Rotala Macaranda Mini Butterfly. This is High Red. Okay, this is beautiful. This is the bonsai ammonia species. Okay, see, these are so cute, small. Let me show you. Okay, these are really small. This is really good. This is Blixa Tonica. And favorite, Monte Carlo. Let's see. Okay guys, that's all for today. So you can do one thing. If you want the plants to be ordered for your own aquarium, you just need to go down below in the description and click on the link for Aquabynature and go over there. They have really cheap pricing, not so high, and the plant quality is good. Okay, that's all for today. Have a great day ahead, and please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel.